What's up, y'all? COT Hemi coming back with another video. Today's gonna be a simple little install video. I've been lacking for the past week. You know what I'm saying? Been doing stuff. I got another job or another side gig I got going on. I've been focusing on that. Been having a whole lot going on, but I did purchase a whole bunch of mods, like 3 or 4 different things. I got one in the mail today. I got, I think, a couple coming, or 1 or 2 coming before the end of the week. So I'm gonna try to knock out like 3 or 4 videos before this weekend. Then we got some more car meets and stuff to do this weekend as well. So I'm gonna try to catch back up with the YouTube, but it's been on the back burner for just a little bit. But today we got a simple mod, pretty much. As y'all know, before I had a window spoiler, which this is another one, but I had a window spoiler up here on top of my car, and then I took it off because I was gonna put the louvers on top of the car. So I had to take that off the car to put the louvers, and then unfortunately the louvers didn't fit, so that was trash. The louvers was trash. So I was left with this little blank, which I hate this look so much. Like, it looks so plain like this. But right here, Spoiler King came in clutch. I got a different one this time. I just have to show y'all what I got. But a quick little install video real quick. You don't need that much. All you need is a microfiber, which I got one right here, boom. And then alcohol to clean the surface so the 3M tape will stick. And I'm gonna get right into the install. Make sure y'all can see the car real good. But I'm gonna open this up, show y'all what I got. I put a towel down so it didn't, the box ain't scratch the car. Let me get a razor or something so I can open this junk up. But like I said, bro, a quick little mod, bro. I think they cost like, I think this one was like $130. Don't quote me, maybe a little bit cheaper or a little bit more expensive. Most of the time when I buy stuff I want for the car, I don't really pay attention to prices. So it's just like the one I had before. They come with these, trash. I don't put these type of stickers on my car. It comes with an alcohol pad and some type of glue, which I won't need that anyway. I didn't use it on the last one and it stayed on pretty well. I guess these are instructions on how to lay something, which is real simple. Don't really need that as well. But that's what it looks like. 3M tape on the back, all the way down. Boom. And then it lays on top of the car. Just like that. But for the people that don't know, new to the channel, I have a Wicker Bill, which my Wicker Bill is pretty much the exact same. It has a little cut right here. I'm gonna flip it around so you can see it. My Wicker Bill has that same little cut, so if you see, it'll line up with the little cut right here, boom, and then the cut right there. And that just changes the whole look of the car, in my opinion. I like this over just the clean black, the back glass. I don't like that, bro. You need something on this right here at all times. Got to. But Spoiler King always comes in clutch. They had a carbon fiber one, but I couldn't find that one. But this does the trick. I'm not really gonna worry about it. Box. Can go down here. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to remove this, clean the surface with the alcohol, with my microfiber, and then lay it on there. And I'll be done. It's a little quick little mod, which can't go wrong. Like I said, I got a couple other things. I got, well, you know, I'm not gonna tell y'all, gonna have to stay in tune with the channel so y'all can keep up with what I got going on. But I'm gonna get right into this install. Fold this up like that. Get you a little bit of alcohol. Get a little bit like that, like that, like that. Not a lot, just a little bit. And clean the surface. Get all that dirt off. Back glass. So it stick real good. At least the car's not that dirty, so the microfiber, it's not even showing that much dirt. But always gotta clean and prep. Close that up. Put that down. You don't need this. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna peel one side. I'm gonna start on one side, peel like to here, peel right to here, and then lay the 3M tape so I can peel it as I lay it down. If y'all can see it, hopefully y'all can't see how I do it, but I mean, you can do it any type of way you want. You can have two people, it don't matter, but I done did it before, so I really don't need a second person. See how much I peeled back just to get it started? I'm gonna lay that corner and then pull it and lay the rest of it. Line it up good. You see how you still got these? And you can just pull this all the way down as you lay it. Get it to where you can pull it. Make sure it's even. Lift it up and lay. Now I definitely let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes before dropping the car. I usually don't drop my car, so it'll probably sit for the rest of the week until this weekend. But apply pressure, make sure the 3M tape is connected at all the points. And then she installed it, real easy and simple. But it's the little things that make the big difference for me. So y'all a little up close and see what it looks like. You know what I'm saying? Go right along the line, all the way to the other side of the car. So if I was to get this wrap, he still can push this down, you know what I'm saying, in the crease. And it's no issues. But as you look back, boom. It just looks so, it's the small things, bro. Like, this glass is so big, it needs something up there to, you know what I'm saying, make a difference. And if it's not the louvers, then you definitely need this. Like, this is a must mod, I would say, for the Chargers. And it's cut just like that. So, real simple, easy.